Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I have an amazing new app that I want to share with you guys. This app will allow you to watch all of the brand new movies, TV shows, and much more absolutely free. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything that you're going to need to know, so that you too can install this in just a few minutes and start watching all of your favorite programs. Welcome back to TechVibes. We are jumping right into the ultimate setup to upgrade your streaming experience fast. Check this out. Step 1 is to grab the essential tool for this job. Head over to the Find option on your home screen and click on Search. Type in the word Downloader and hit Enter. Click the orange icon and download it to your device right away. It is a total no-brainer for any power user. Step 2 is to unlock your developer settings. Click on the gear icon on the far right of your home screen to open settings. Scroll down and click on My Fire TV. If you see developer options here, you are golden. If you do not see it, click on About. Hover over Fire TV stick and click the center button on your remote exactly 7 times. A message will pop up saying you are now a developer. Back out one screen and click on Developer Options. Click on Install Unknown Apps and toggle the setting for the Downloader app to On. Step 3 is to grab the unlinked application using a direct shortcut. Open up your newly installed Downloader app and clear out the address bar. Type in the official shortcode 706829 and click Go. This redirect link will safely download the official unlinked installation file straight to your storage. Click Install when prompted and then click Done. To keep your device super snappy, click Delete on the pop-up to remove the leftover installation file. Step 4 is to open Unlinked and initialize a custom library. Launch the app from your home screen and click on Add a new library. You will need a working code to access the best tools. Type in the library code Fire TV Guru and click Next. This will instantly open up an awesome alternative app store filled with massive utility and streaming applications. Step 5 is to install MovieBox directly from your new library. Scroll down through the available apps inside the Fire TV Guru store until you locate MovieBox. Click on it to start the download progress bar. Once it hits 100%, click Install and then click Open. You now have a massive world of free content ready to roll. Here is a quick bonus tip to optimize your stream quality. If your video is ever buffering, go back to your network settings and connect to your 5 GHz network instead of your older 2.4 GHz band. It offers much faster data speeds for high-definition video files. Please comment below if you face any difficulty during this installation process. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to get you sorted out. Make sure you use NordVPN to run any third-party apps completely smoothly on your device. The official installation link is mentioned right in the description and top comments. Smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel TechVibes. You have got this completely covered and your streaming setup is officially upgraded.